everyone. I'm so glad you're here. Who's ready for Halloween? Look at these. Oh my goodness. These spider web lights, $5, Dollar Tree. Cool. And they've got them in the white and the orange. And the pumpkin. Look at this pumpkin. Spooky looking pumpkin. We've got them in the different colors there, and the reds and the blacks. These are so spooky. They're pictures. Let's see here. What do we have? We've got these skeleton doorbells. Oh my goodness. And is it a spider? These are unusual, aren't they? Haunted doorbells is what they say for $5. Those should be a lot of fun on Halloween or to put up now to be spooky. Love that. And let's see here, 20 count LED skeleton lights, 30-inch spiders. That is large. Drink dispensers for $5 in that black cauldron with the green top lid on it. Those are really interesting. Put some fun beverages in there. A pumpkin beverage dispenser in orange. And these are, oh my goodness, look at these. Aren't these interesting? They are light up magic balls. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got some ghost trays. And what do we have here? Another doorbell. A 2-tier ghost tray and this hanging ghoul and some more ghost things. Look at these red flower spooky pumpkin. We got black cats there. Those are awesome. And this plush bag to put, you could turn these into pillows. Wouldn't that be cute? Or just take them for carrying. Look at all of the spider webs, hocus pocus tray, and that pom-pom garland. Let's see, we've got these cool looking skeleton. You could put candles in there or drinks in there. We got the metal frame signs, the eek and the boo sign, the what do you call these? The pumpkin wreaths. Look at these different styles they come in. The purple, the orange. We've got these tablecloths in different styles. And more garland to hang up for fun Halloween styled spookiness. Candy corn garland. Flame glow jack-o'-lantern, and then there's a ghost one too. I love those. Those are always fun to display. All of these big lighted set of inflatable eyes. Oh my goodness, inflatable pumpkin. And we've got the mist makers. Those are always fun to use. Let's see, mist maker skull, and then they've got these skull lanterns that light up. Y'all, they have everything you need to celebrate. Let's see, we've got these plush throws. They've got the purple. Look at all these different styles. Trick or treat, the skulls, pumpkins, skeleton. Oh, these are interesting. Skeleton container. You could put candy in those. Give those as gifts. I love these for $1.25. Different hand soaps. Ghost and pumpkins, and look at these skull trays. They look like they're smiling. That they've got them in black, the rainbow, the silver. They've got these really cool containers with those cork lids on them, and then you've got the different vases down here, more containers with spooky sayings on them, and you can put candy in those. These chains actually glow in the dark. How cool is that? Look at all of this stuff, y'all. So much to choose from. So many awesome things to choose from today. Let's see, we've got these skulls. Y'all, $1.25 for a spooky skull. And these big bones to decorate with. These signs, the black cat, Happy Halloween. And these more skeletons, more different cool things. If you need these fright tape, 30 feet, or if you need a very large bat to decorate with for $1.25. Super awesome deal. And let's see here, tabletop decor. What does this say? Pick your poison. Spider venom. Interesting. Okay, cool. Look at all of this stuff, y'all. So much. Orange, purple, and green spider webbing. Black spider webbing. Lots of spider webs. Then we've got these sparkly pumpkins and the black and this black sparkly ones. And oh, it lights up too. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, a skull, sparkly silver. And then you've got these orange pumpkins. Y'all, they light up. $1.25. These are good deals. Really good deals. Okay, we've got all of the LED lights, the 10 of them. Look at how pretty those are. The acorn, the pumpkin, and the leaf. If you want to do a tree or make some garland out of these ornaments, cool. And you could use this ribbon. Look at these large ribbons. Oh my goodness, so many to choose from. Oh, this goes with your tree, your Halloween tree. Hocus Pocus. There's purple, silver, trick or treat. And then there's an orange one down there. Happy Halloween. Love those. And there's the tree, $1.25. These black charger plates, these are cool for putting food, candy, cakes, cupcakes. And then they've got these, oh, this lights up. I like that. They've got all of these in here, y'all. Look at the different, I think these are for, it's called Day of the Dead. But they can be used, I guess, for Halloween. Look at the black cups and the black plates. These are good deals for partying. And they've got it in black, and they've got some orange napkins there. Let's see, we've got so many things you might need for your party or just for decorating. Look at this. This could be, you could put a candle on this or put this on the wall or a shelf. These are pretty. Look at those. I like that. Okay. We've got more Halloween, $1.25, like almost like, what do you call those? Magic balls or crystal balls. Some beware signs and more different Halloween signs. Look at those ghosts with the little hats on them and the orange. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. We got the witch and the vampire and a ghost. And let's see, we've got signs for Happy Halloween, orange jack-o'-lanterns, more skeletons, and the chains, Happy Halloween, the arm, that looks like it glows in the dark too. All these, and the hands, the skeleton hands. Y'all, if you need it, they've got it. Here we've got these spiders, 2 for $1.25. We've got, what do you call that? A knight's hat. And we've got another bat. It's a smaller flying bat. And look at that spooky looking spider. Kind of sparkly with the eyes. And what else we have here? Let's see. We've got these. What do these do? I guess they just hang. Okay. Oh, look at this spooky witch. And she hangs, 36-inch hanging decoration. And we have more and more of these chains. Oh, these are handcuffs. So the pretend handcuff, or I guess one handcuff, skeleton garland for $1.25. You get 4 of those on that garland. This hand that you could just sit out or put with all of your other decor. The Happy Halloween, it's like a tote bag. That's a good deal for $1.25. All these Halloween bags that you can use for gifts or trick-or-treating. Look at that cat one. It's got some cool looking cat eyes and ears. This one has a ghost. Is that a ghost? Yes. Okay. We've got those coffin things again. Look at these purple Boo and Happy Halloween cups and tins. You could put anything you want in these. These are like the moss covered skeletons that's got green moss on it. And look at the gnomes, the little gnomes. That's like a witch gnome. Cute, y'all. $1.25. And Happy Halloween, like those little wooden signs that sit up. You can put those on shelves in your kitchen, on a table, on a little tray. Look at the napkins, and it's so cute. These little gnomes with the hat. Look at that little nose. Okay, and the skeleton plates and the cups that you could put all kinds of fruit or desserts in. And the eyeballs. Don't forget the eyeballs. 12-piece eyeballs. And big eyes. Giant eyes. And all kinds of stuff. Are y'all ready for Halloween? This definitely should get you ready for Halloween because they have it all. If you're enjoying this, please like, share, and subscribe. So I will be making more of these. So the more likes, shares, and subscribes we can get, the more people I can keep continuing to show to. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'll just take one of everything. Love these jack-o'-lantern chair covers, and then they've got this lace table runner to look spooky. Let's see, we've got these as favors for your parties, party favors. Cute little tins, 3-pack. Let's see, all different styles. The vampires, more spooky sayings, mischief and mayhem, snake oil, is that what that said? And look at the they just got it all. I love this. Oh, there's the little knapsack again with those skeletons, the drawstring knapsack. And we've got more treat bags for partying or gifts, fun things just to have, or you can put your trick-or-treat stuff in it. Be the best house giving out candy. Look at all these bags. They've got the spooky sacks. Look at these. Oh, I love these. These are tongs in the shape of skeleton hands. How cute is that? Love that. And then we've got these stake lights. They're solar lights. The jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, adorable. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. You are awesome, and I'll see you real soon.